Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make arroz con pollo. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, so I'm going to begin by making my spice mix. That's with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. We're just going to mix it. Now we're just going to sprinkle it over 2 pounds of chicken thighs. Make sure you get it on both sides. Okay, so once we have seasoned our chicken, now we can get ready to begin cooking. We're going to begin by grabbing our pan, going to cover the bottom with oil, set it over high heat, and allow it to heat up. Okay, so once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our chicken. We're just going to be searing it for 2 minutes per side. Okay, after 2 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over and allow that side to brown for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to move the chicken from the pan. Now we're going to reduce the heat to medium. To that we're going to add 2 ounces of chorizo, 1 small red bell pepper, 1 small green bell pepper, and I'm also adding 1 serrano and half an onion. Going to allow that to cook for about 3 minutes. Alright, so after 3 minutes, our chorizo should have cooked and our vegetables should be nice and soft. So now we're going to add 1 cup of uncooked rice. Mix it in there and give it about 2 minutes. Okay, and after 2 minutes, we're going to be adding our 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 Roma tomatoes. Just going to mix it just until you begin to smell the garlic. Now we're going to add 1.5 cups of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Just begin to mix it all together and make sure to scrape the bottom of your pan. And now we're just going to allow this to come to a simmer. Okay, once it comes to a simmer, we're going to return our chicken. Just place it on top. Going to add the juices. Reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover it, and allow it to cook between 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes, we're going to check our arroz con pollo. We're going to make sure that all of the liquid has been evaporated. Okay, and the rice is already done. So we're just going to turn it off, cover it, and allow it to rest between 5 to 10 minutes. All right, guys, and after 10 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part, serving. So I'm just going to get my chicken and rice, scoop it in. And let me tell you, that smells delicious. And just like that, we can get ready to serve. All right, you guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this dish right here is seriously super easy, so flavorful. It's honestly the best. The chicken, nice, juicy, and tender. The rice, flavorful. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Only one. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious arroz con pollo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.